Hi guys, it's Stargardt's Fitness Challenger here, and I'm legally blind due to Stargardt's eye disease, and I bought a load of stuff from Strength Shop. So we're going to do an unboxing and show you exactly what you get when you buy from them. So guys, first to unbox is the bumper plate storage unit by Strength Shop. I'm going to unbox it and have a good look at it and show you what exactly it looks like. Hey presto, it is out. Okay, so it's fully out of its packaging now, and this is exactly what you get for your money. It is fully welded together. It looks very good condition. It's got a nice grip handle there with the Strength Shop logo in there. I've already noticed there's a few little defects with it, which isn't particularly great, seeing as it's £150. So you've got your 25 kilo storage, 20, your 15, your 10 and your 5s, and right back here you've got your fractional plates storage unit there too, and you've got some wheels on this so you can use the handle, lift it up and wheel it around and smash the radiator. That sounds good. And what the hell is that on the carpet? Good. So that works real well. It's very sturdy. That isn't going to break anytime soon. It's a good buy. If you're wanting storage and you don't want to pile your plates up, then that is a good bit of kit. I like the fractional storage. You haven't got a bar storage, but let's be honest, that's not the biggest thing, especially if you've got an English garage and the roof is only like just under 7 feet high with your beams. So this is perfect. So now we're going to move on, unbox some of the plates and shove them in and have a look at it. Okay guys, so now we're going to move on and be unboxing first of all the 5 kilo bumper plates. These are obviously bought within the COVID period, so had to wait a long time for them. They were supposed to be dispatched on the 9th of October, and it's Monday, which I don't know the date is, put the date down here, but it's like a week before they're supposed to even get them in stock, so that is brilliant. So I'm going to unbox them and have a look at them right now. Okay, so these are the 5 kilo bumper plates, obviously. Let's find the seal. There's one seal here. These are the 5 kilo ones which come in a twin pack. So this is the total kiloage of 10 kilos. Interesting. Let's cut that off. Maybe scissors would be better, but hey ho, we've got a knife. It's blunt as hell. Right. That. So this is what you get in your pack. 2 black 10 bumper plates. This one. Ooh, okay. There's a very rubbery feel to them. It's all good. There's no strange coating on them. So let's bring this here. So this is what you get. This is quite a good design. The paint on the white is actually really good, especially for my eyesight. Legally blind, so having these highlighted is a real joy. So I'll be able to see that easily. Turn it around, and that's what the back looks like. So that's nice. That's very nice. There. There's that. a bit different from the other one. I know, feels slightly so much, probably just cold. So that is the 20 kilo plate. Plate number 2 for the 20 kilo. That one's actually got a mark on it. That's not so good. That's not so good, is it? Right. Got a clear cut in that one. I will be contacting Strength Shop and making them aware of that, and then I can tell you what their process is of rectifying that. They might send me out another 20. I don't know. We'll see. I'll unbox the 25 kilos. Oh yeah. So as you can see, they're out of stock, so I bought the red one. I didn't fancy the other colours because they're running out of stock and I didn't want to mix match them. So I thought red and black looks pretty cool, so that's what I'm going to go with. Feels good. There's no colour that comes off or anything. Not yet anyway. That looks good. That's a blemish. Big time blemish there. And they feel a weird coating on them, so that doesn't look too good. Maybe a rush job to get them out, I don't know. That doesn't look too good though. The other side looks fine. And this is the other 25. So that one's better, that one's a bit worse. This one feels really strange. It's got a very strange coating on it. Okay, right, so I'm going to put them into the storage unit and see what that looks like. So guys, this is now what the plates look like when they're inserted into the holders. All 150 kilos. Gotta say, some of the quality of the discs, like this one in particular, and the red one is pretty, it's not particularly good for the money. The black ones, however, are perfect. And that is the unboxing of the plates and the storage unit from Strength Shop. So if you've liked the video, like the unboxing, think about getting them, subscribe down below, hit the bell, check out some of these other videos, and until next time, don't lose your sight or your focus on your fitness goals.